Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about DB2 fetch and how to fetching the rows in DB2. So at here this is the table, employees table, this is the record. Now here to display first 10 rows. So at here this is 10 rows. I start from 100 employee ID. So we can use at here fetch. So at here we need to include, so this is at here doing the first order by on employee. So we start that to selected all the columns. Now fetching first. So at here first 10 rows only. So we should include after that display or top 10 rows from the table. So here you can see here total numbers of 10 rows it's a display. Now this is the 10 rows. Now here to display top 5 rows. So here output from the top, output from 5 rows. So for top 5 rows you need to give at here 5. Now only 5 rows it's a display. Now here to display at here this is the employees table. Now see, and here this is the record inside employees table. Let's execute the query making order by on employee ID. So about the offset that already discussed. So here when you use offset, so here after, so here this is the 5 rows and here given the offset 5. So after 5 rows it will display the rows. So at here the value that is start from 105. So here you can see 105 and total and here it's the fetching first 10 rows. So after 5 it's or displaying 10 rows. Now here after limit to get top 10 highest salary. So here this is the record and about this query selecting all the columns and here employees table order by salary. So salary is in descending order. So here this is total numbers of column 107. So when you want to display top 10 highest salary, so you should include fetch first 10 rows only. So it will fetch only top 10 rows from here. So it will display top 10 rows. So here this is the top 10 rows. Now you need to use fetch first 10 rows. So since and here it's giving fetch first 10 rows, so here this is the display top 10 highest salary 24,000 and here 17,000 is all values. Now here you can include distinct clause also. So here distinct clause I am using because 17,000 twice times and here include the salary. Now if you execute, so at here it's the display top 10 highest salary 24,000, 17,000, 14,000 here. So I will display at here top 20 highest salary. Now when you duplicate you should include distinct. Now here top 20 highest salary, here you can see 20 and here total 20 highest salary it's a display. So we want the distinct that I already discussed. So by using distinct we can only display unique record from the table. So only to display unique rows values. So fetching is generally used to display some values from the table by giving some limitation. So here the limitation is 20. So first 20, first 10, first 5 we can display as 3 by using fetch. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.